If your BMW X5 45e has a drivetrain malfunction warning and the electric drive is gone, the problem is almost always a single hardware failure. A small computer inside your main battery has broken, and it can't be fixed with a simple software update. The issue is with a specific module called the SME, or Battery Management Electronics. Think of it as the supervisor for all the individual cells in your high-voltage battery. Its only job is to constantly monitor their temperature and voltage to make sure everything is safe. When the circuit board inside this SME module fails, it sends a false panic signal to the rest of the car. The vehicle's main computer trusts this signal and, for safety, immediately opens the main contactors, which act like a giant circuit breaker. This disconnects the entire electric drive system, leaving you with only the gasoline engine. The important thing to know is that your expensive battery cells are usually perfectly fine. It's just the small computer supervising them that has failed. This fault often appears around the 30,000-mile mark. It's commonly triggered by one of two things. The first is letting the vehicle sit overnight in the cold, a condition called cold soaking. The temperature change can put just enough stress on a weak electronic component to cause it to fail. The second common trigger is plugging the vehicle into a level 2 charger. The initial flow of electricity can also be the final push for an already failing board. Because this is a specific hardware failure, there are several common repair attempts that will not work. First, just clearing the fault codes with a diagnostic tool is useless. The system will immediately detect the broken hardware on its next self-check, and the warnings will return. Second, updating the vehicle's main software, what BMW calls the ISTA, also does nothing. You can't use a software patch to fix a fried circuit board. Finally, checking the large orange high-voltage cables or replacing the regular 12-volt auxiliary battery is a waste of time. The problem isn't with the main connections or the car's standard electrical system. It's deep inside the sealed high-voltage battery pack itself. There is only one correct way to fix this. The process starts with a proper diagnosis using BMW's own ISTA software, connected with a special Ethernet cable. A generic code reader can't do this. This setup is needed to pull the deep-level, factory hexadecimal codes that specifically name the SME module as having an internal communication failure. Once those codes provide proof, the physical repair can begin. The entire high-voltage battery pack, a very large and heavy unit, must be unbolted and carefully lowered out from under the car. A technician trained for high-voltage work then opens the sealed battery case. Inside, they will locate the faulty SME module, physically remove it, and install a brand new one. The battery is then resealed, tested, and reinstalled in the vehicle. With the new module in place, communication is restored. The safety systems are satisfied, and your full electric propulsion comes back online. If you don't get this specific repair, the warning lights will stay on permanently. You will be driving a heavy gasoline car that's hauling around a dead battery, completely losing the efficiency and performance you paid for. Before you approve any work, insist that the shop shows you the specific ISTA fault codes pointing to the SME module. That is your absolute proof of a correct diagnosis.